At the back, Mr. King. Guys, I usually do this. Like, my kids usually comb my hair for me. But now they're in their own
Because
room.
your husband is always busy.
They're in their own room.
So today, the husband is the one doing it.
At the back, Mr. King, go class.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm doing it.
We comb the pin.
See, look at how I did it nicely for
You better hair dry, how little
Ah,
sharp.
sure.
Okay, come back in a
See, I
second.
got it right.
But you need to come underneath here. You see here,
No, it's okay, don't bother. Come in there.
can't even go through my fingers. Like, it's too hlaka-hlakan, man.
Don't worry. See.
Did you get it?
Yeah, was smooth, yeah.
Ne?
Mm.
Good. That's what I want. Give it like even smooth.
Mm. You doubted this comb when we were buying it.
And who bought it for me? Who chose the comb for me?
Just me.
You see, you are the best.
The husband chose it. Yeah, if fresh, yeah.
I want to know who you are the best.
If fresh, yeah. No, what is on that, yeah? Hey, Mina.
Ricky Bon. This is what pile mo.
Fresh. I get happy the biscuit.
Thank you, meneer. Huh? We sharp ile monate fela.
Yeah, happy the minute. I want to what the hey, Sonny. Yeah, nagi shapa msada akapela. Kimukama pela. Umbona kimukama. You know, I was combing the hair of my beautiful wife. Yeah, but yeah, combing the hair of my beautiful wife just to make sure that the hair looks beautiful. As much as the hair looks beautiful, we must also look beautiful on sea. On the sea. Can you see, guys? The cruise ship is going. On the sea. Can you see, guys? On the sea. Huh? That's how it's supposed to be. On the seas. On the seas. As I tell the kids that you are done. As I tell them to come. I'll tell them to come. I just want to show these people that we are on the sea. All right. On the sea. Huh? On the sea, guys. On the sea. Huh? Nice. Look at the water. Look at the water, guys. The ship is going. Look. Now we've got a lot of days, guys. A lot of days here. 20 days. Ha! Beyond this thing. Here you've got no hope to see a house or a mountain or anything. All you need to do, all you see is water and the skies. God is so grateful. God is so good. So let me quickly see. On a show front camera. Yeah, my wife now is packing. So we are preparing to go to eat. Must I call the kids and tell them that you're done?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna call the kids to their rooms. Right. Okay, I'm putting the kids 8200. See, cabin number, extension 77027, cabin number 88200. Yes, my baby. Yes, my boy. Yeah, I called you. Mommy said I must ask you if you're done so we can come. We can come to your room and collect you so we can go to eat, what is this, lunch? No, supper.
Going to eat shawarma.
We are going to eat shawarma first on the 14th floor. Oh, on the 12th floor. Is shawarma on the 12th floor? Yeah, on the 12th floor. Okay, shawarma is on the 12th floor. Okay. Or you'll be at the 12th floor eating. You will be eating at the 12th floor. Oh, okay, my boy. Tell them that we will meet them at the shawarma place, my boy. Tell them. Yes, my baby. We are going to 12th floor to the shawarma place. We are going to meet us there. Jake knows on 12th floor. There's a bar outside. Yes. No, just next to the pools. Yes. Yeah, so we'll find you there. We're coming. Yeah, we're coming now. Sharp. Bye. See, I called my kids. I dropped. So, we're going. Let me wear my shoes. Guys, I'm wearing my shoes. Where's my socks? Yeah, let me wear my shoes. Yeah, my techies. Okay, let me put it this way so you guys can see the time being. Actually, I need to do this. Yeah, you can see for time being while I'm wearing shoes, right? Let's hope the phone won't fall. Okay, so we're going. Today we're gonna go to the sauna, ne? Babe? Gonna go to the sauna. When we come back, we're gonna come and change, ne? Go to the sauna. I wanna heat
sauna, what do you wear? Swimming costume?
No, you can wear anything, but not clothes. Even now, wear my shorts.
What? A short?
You can wear a swimming costume. It's up to you. No, not. Yeah, pyjama. You must have it. You don't understand. You must have a pyjama with you. You can bring it.
Okay, fix your bag.
Okay, we're going now. My wife, my wife likes the thing. There are people who comes here to fix our beds, right? To clean our bed. But my wife wants to make up. She's used that every time she goes out, she needs to clean up, So, but they will come and clean up.
It's okay, please fix your bed.
Prepare our bed.
Dust it off.
When you say I must fix it, what do you mean? I must just make it like this?
Dust it off.
Okay.
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name, ne? So as I'm doing this, my wife likes a clean place. So she's saying I must do this. Okay, I did. See, just fold the blankets like this, leave them like
With
this.
one hand, Mr. K.
Yeah, I did. Look at I'm taking a video. I did.
Yours look like Jake's. Look how Jake did it.
People will come and clean anyway. Okay, all right. So we go in, right? We go in, right? Take my wallet. So we go in, right? So this is where my wife was seated. You sit here, you make up, do your thing. We've got a what is this? Espresso machine. Espresso machine. You can make yourself coffee there. There's some cups there, there's glasses there, but we haven't been using these glasses. You understand? Alright guys, I'll keep you posted. I am going out.